Now we're gonna show you a good breakfast while you're on prep. This is gonna be chia pudding made with non-fat Greek yogurt. And the reason why this is good on prep is because chia seeds have a lot of fiber again, which will keep you full, 9 grams of fiber and 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna start by you're gonna be doing 5 servings for your week. So 6 ounces of yogurt a day. So we need 30 ounces of Greek yogurt in here. So we're gonna tear off the scale. 30 ounces of yogurt. Okay. And to that, we're gonna add some almond milk. Almond coconut milk has 35 calories, and we need a liquid to soak up the seeds. If you wanna be like real lean, you could do water, but we can have some almond milk. All right, so we're gonna do 2 ounces per serving, 5 servings, so we need 10 ounces, so that's 1 cup and a quarter. Okay, now we gotta do chia seeds, and we need 10 tablespoons per serving.
Hey, can one of you guys count for me? I got my socks on.
2,
Thanks.
3, 4. And then we're gonna add a flavor enhancer, which is almond extract. You can do any extract because it's 0 calories. You can do vanilla, orange, coconut, rum. Those are the ones I can think of right now. Okay, then we're gonna add some sweetener. So stevia is also 0 calories. So we're gonna do a good, dry it off. Good 2 tablespoons. You can also do, I picked up this sugar-free butterscotch flavored pudding because there's only 25 calories in a quarter box if you want your chia pudding to be butterscotch, but today we're just gonna do an almond coconut one.
I just want you guys to know that my coach is probably watching this. And coach, I want you to know that I measured this out properly, just like I do when I'm in prep. I don't cheat. I know you think I do. I don't.
Okay, and then now we got all our, it smells so good. Like, can you smell that almond?
That smells amazing.
Like, it literally smells like
you can almost smell it through the screen. I know you can.
All right, you're gonna whisk it all together.
All right.
And that chia seed mixed in with the yogurt. So then we're gonna divide it into 5 containers, and after it sits 24 hours, this is gonna be thick, like thick, double C. Say it.
Like thick, double C. That's thicker than a what? A Snicker. Thicker than a Snicker. That's right.